The semi-finalists in the Issa Ben Francis Cup knockout have been decided. Over at Cornwall College, the home team prevailed 4-2 on penalties over Manchester High after the two ended 1-1 in regulation time. Manchester High were in front through Michael Reed in the 53rd minute. However, the prolific Mecky Foster turned up for Cornwall College in the 72nd minute for the equalizer. And with no more goals in the contest, it was down to penalties, where Cornwall College prevailed to make it into the last four.
We played Saturday a very tough game against Glenmore. I mean, it was expecting this, the guys, being a little bit lethargic and, from the game on Saturday. I mean, it was as good that they could grind it out and came away with the victory in a penalty shootout.
In other games, McGraw High eliminated Ocherias High 4-1. Manning's School ousted Christiana High 2-1, and Clarendon College completed the semi-final lineup with a 1-0 win over Garvey Maceo High.